Hi, welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to send a DM message on X. Before we start, I need to mention one important thing, that you can only DM people on X who follow you or who have their DMs open to everyone. Okay, so let's open X application on your phone and tap this letter icon in the bottom right corner of your screen. That's your messages section. You want to tap new message button or this button in the bottom right corner of your screen with this plus sign, and search for the person that you want to DM by typing their username. So start typing, and from the list that appears right here, you have to select specific person that you want to DM, which will redirect you to chat with this person. So in the text box, you have to type your message. And finally, when you are ready, hit send button. This is this paper plane icon. And now you see that my message is sent to this person. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.